Hey, this is Mark at Independent Motorsports. We've got a nice older trike here. We've got a 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 trike. It has a Lehman conversion kit on it, which the Lehman kits we've seen come through here have been some of the nicest riding trike kits we've had on the conversions. We did a new front tire on it and a new battery. It has a detachable windscreen, a little over 30,000 miles, maybe 35,000. It's in good shape. We have gone through our 45-point inspection on it. It checks out good. We did an oil change and that it all came out good. Bike has a little bit of storage in the rear end. Like I said, it's a Storm trike kit by Lehman. Nice little storage compartment here for some luggage. The bike is in overall really good shape. The Vulcan 900 is one of our best-selling mid-size cruisers. It's available for sale now at $12,995. Stop by and see us at 3930 South High Street in Columbus. Ride safe and ride independent.